Hello everyone, this is Essick. Today I will be showing you what the term functional domain is and how it is important during coding. The textbook definition of functional domain is the set of valid input for a program or function. In this case, the functional domain of the program is the output of the code that would be used for the code after this. In the next code, it would say if error equals true or false, because the only two inputs for this would be true or false. Thus, the functional domain becomes true or false. In this program, the code asks for any integer. The domain for this program is any number possible. Where it says void print integer and cout int value, it is asking for any possible number. Because it is any possible number, the functional domain would then be infinite. Now, why is functional domain important? By knowing your program's functional domain, you know the basics behind your program. It is always important to know what will crash your program. Without this knowledge, you can be receiving the same error message over and over, and simply because you are entering a decimal number and declaring a data type incorrectly. An easy example to remember this would be to think of a functional domain as Morehouse. To become an applicant at Morehouse, you would need to be a male. Thus, by being a female, you would not fall underneath the functional domain established by the college. Now, when will it be necessary to know the functional domain of a program or function? Functional domain is important to know during any testing phase. It is also important to know when thinking of the user's possible input. Before any publication is done, the programmer should also know what can be put into the program. Hopefully you now understand what functional domain is and the importance behind it. This has been Essick on functional domain.